Welcome to the nebula of internet at TV. I'm Joey, thanks for joining me. Today we're going to be looking at more firework fails. So this one's Firework Fail Disaster 2014, so it was a while back. So get comfy and let's watch. God, so already it looks like it's going wrong because you got people running around, there's smoke on the ground. Yeah. They're doing fireworks in the daytime as well. That's a bit strange, isn't it? Are they fireworks? Or is this like some sort of crazy event or something? Yeah, they don't look like fireworks. It looks like it's meant to be like explosions or something, I think. Oh my god. How many fireworks have they put on the ground? Is that guy in the green just waiting to see how close it gets to him? Because they're slowly getting closer to the crowd. Yeah, it literally took for someone else to pull him back. Some people just got no sense of danger, like the other videos. But then there's other people that are still crossing the tape line that are in the field with that behind them. Oh my god. Why are they so fast? Like, they're not like rockets, are they? They're like, I don't know what they are. Are they even fireworks? Because it looks like it's like what they use in the movies for explosions. Oh my god, even to the end, I'd like. I think instead of going for, because it was daytime, they like instead of going for like full on colours, they just went for loudness. That's like insane. Yeah, if you know anything about that, let me know what was going on. Like, what was it even for? I'll have to have a look in the description to see what it says. So that was today's video, another crazy one. So as always, thanks for the company. If you've enjoyed today's video, become a subscriber, suggest a video to watch in the comments, and I'll see you there.